Creating a managing client, and a case in Open Discovery is a cinch. To begin, select the hamburger icon inside of any managing client. Then select Add Managing Client. Give the managing client a name and then click Save. Now let's find the managing client we just created by searching in the upper left and then selecting the applicable hamburger icon. Now select Add Client. From here, give the client a name. Now we need to input the data directory. This is the UNC path where case data will be saved. This must be a UNC path. Now let's browse out to the path and copy and paste it into the data path in the dialog box. We can see that the Launch Create Case on Save button is automatically selected. Let's leave this and click Save. Next, let's select the type of case we need. Here, we can select Early Data Assessment, Processing, and Review. EDA is to search data before streaming into a review case. Processing is to process data only, and Review is to review data, search, tag, and produce. In this instance, let's first select Processing, then select Review. Once we're all set, let's click Create. Now, let's give our case a code name. This is the primary organizer for the case. Next, let's input a matter number. This is our billing number. Then click Next.
Now let's set up our processing case. The processing case name and app environment are already listed. While the name can be changed, the app environment must be left as is. Advanced options are next.
Here we see that default templates are set for the processing case and the import case. We can select custom templates for each if desired. For instance, by selecting the icon to the right of a default template under Import Case Template, we can make a different selection simply by browsing out and choosing the applicable template. In this instance, we will use the default template provided and will therefore cancel out of the dialog box. When we're all set, click Next. Next up are review case settings. Here we have the review case name, which can be changed, the app environment, and the data directory. Advanced options here include the review case template. A default template is included, though a custom template can also be imported. Once we're all set, click Next in the bottom right. A summary of all case settings will then appear. Let's take a minute to review the settings before clicking Create Case. To verify that the case is being created, select the bell icon in the upper right-hand corner of the case management screen to display notification. As we can see, the case is now being created.